Always make sure you are on the right page before creating a new Freyer's model. Use the Pages icon at the bottom right corner of the whiteboard to change the page. Here on the left side of the vocabulary wall, you will find a video tutorial. Simply click on the arrow and then on the link that appears. In addition to the video and steps on the left, on the right there is a finished example of a Freyer's model to help guide you. Also on the right, you will find some helpful online vocabulary resources. Now you're ready to build a larger vocabulary.